The National Zoological Park in Delhi is exploring its possibilities of an on-site wildlife biobank. In collaboration with the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology (CCMB) in Hyderabad, the Delhi Zoo is looking for a long-term conservation and research project by establishing a bank for preserving the genetic material of various animals. What is a biobank? Well, a biobank is a facility where the collection and preservation of genetic material from animals such as DNA, tissue, reproductive cells, etc. are preserved for further research, conservation and scientific ventures. The initiative of a biobank inside the Delhi Zoo is part of a bigger effort led by the Central Zoo Authority (CZA) to strengthen conservation in Indian zoos. A biobank in the Delhi Zoo will be the first such facility in the capital city. But biobanks exist at other places in India, like the Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park in Darjeeling. The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park also became the first where establishment of such facility occurred earlier in the year. The biobank in Darjeeling was set up under the same initiative. This proposed biobank in the capital city will contribute to building a national repository of genetic material for conservation. Samples to be stored in this biobank will be strictly used for research under the supervision of CZA and CCMB. As per the October-December 2024 quarterly inventory report of the National Zoological Park in Delhi, it is home to several endangered species listed under Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. These include Asiatic lion, Royal Bengal tiger, Indian greater one-horned rhino, Indian elephant, sloth bear, long-tailed macaw, Indian wolf, Indian bison, antelopes, Himalayan black bear, Indian rock python, and the spectacular cobra. Let's see how this biobank in the capital city Delhi provides India with an indigenous knowledge of its own flora and fauna. For more such information, stay tuned to the CSR Journal.